Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to open WhatsApp Web in reading mode on your PC. By following these 3 simple steps, you can enhance your WhatsApp Web experience and make reading messages easier. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp Web on your PC by visiting web.whatsapp.com and scanning the QR code with your mobile device. This will take you to the WhatsApp Web interface. Step 2. Once you're on the WhatsApp web page, simply right-click anywhere on the page. A context menu will appear. Step 3. From the context menu, select the option labeled Open in Reading Mode. This will optimize the display for reading, making the text more legible and comfortable to read. By following these 3 steps, you can open WhatsApp Web in reading mode on your PC and enjoy a more convenient messaging experience. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.